sun, chariot of fire, burning with desire as he runs the race. Half light, the moon is always knowing.
Hello everybody. Today we are going to be talking about a meditation to connect to Mother Earth. Meditation is an incredible way to raise your personal vibration, to enter a sense of peace and calm and wholeness within oneself, and to change the direction or the course that you are heading in that particular day. Okay, so this is going to be the meditation, and this is my personal homework for you guys watching this video, is to go out and do this meditation. Step 1, we have to be in nature. It doesn't have to be this beautiful, gorgeous lake that we're at right now. You can go to the grass, you can go to the blue sky, anywhere there's blue sky, anywhere there's grass. You can just go out into nature, and this is how this meditation is going to work. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to focus on your breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth, and really just allowing yourself to go into a deep breathing process into the body, filling up the body with air, breathing in and out, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. We're going to try 4 seconds in through the nose and 8 seconds out through the mouth. So you're going to count. When you feel like you're completely relaxed, what you're going to do is you're going to continue to focus on your breathing. But this time, what you're going to do is you're going to feel yourself in training with Mother Earth. And what you're going to do is you're going to feel yourself becoming the earth. And so if you have water in front of you, if you have blue sky in front of you, you have grass in front of you, you want to literally feel like that element is entering your vibration. So as you're breathing in, you're breathing in the lake. You're breathing in the blue sky. You're breathing in the grass in and of itself. So just allow yourself to practice what it would feel like to breathe in that lake, that element. And as you're breathing in, you're feeling that element enter the vibration that is you. You can allow yourself to become aware of your core container or your core wall that keeps things at bay, that stops things from letting in the external world around us. Even Mother Earth, we have walls that fight against. So you can feel the walls or the container or the vibration around your body that keeps things at bay. And then allow yourself that through the breath, that vibration, that water, that vibration is sinking in. So allow yourself to breathe in the water. Allow the water to come into the body. And I'm becoming water as I breathe. And you can open your eyes as well when you're already in a trance state, and allow yourself to stare at the water going in and out and in and out, or allow yourself to stare at the color of the grass, to stare at the way the grass moves in the wind, to stare at the way the clouds are moving by, to stare at the blue sky. And visually allow yourself to receive that through your eyes, and then close your eyes when you have a really good understanding of that vibration, and through the breath, breathe in the earth. Breathe in your connection to the earth. Allow that vibration to physically enter your body. Feel it entering your throat through the breath. Feel it entering your lungs through the breath. Feel it entering your heart through the breath. Feel it entering your stomach through the breath. Feel it entering your kidneys and your liver and your pancreas through the breath. Feel it entering your legs through the breath. And then you can allow yourself to feel a white light energy coming up through the soles of your feet and coming up all the way through your legs, through your entire body, and then pouring outwards and entering back into the earth. And you can feel As you breathe in, you're breathing the earth in, and as you exhale, you're allowing the earth to receive the vibration or the message or the energetic essence that is you, that is your soul purpose, that is your impact on the earth here today. So please give this meditation a try, get out into nature, increase your vibration relative to that day.